Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix a trampoline safety net. So here we can see that the plastic has cracked and it won't hold on the end of the pipe anymore. So what we will do is drill a hole into the pipe and place a nail or screw underneath it to hold it up. Now we have a screw, a 5.5 millimeter drill and a drill driver. So let's try and drill a hole into the pipe. So I think it's about here. Shape of the pipe makes it that the drill is not able to hold to the spot, so I'm going to use this tool with a hammer to make a small dent so that it's easier to screw. Now I have made a dent in the pipe, so let's see if I can drill a hole. Okay, that's it. Let's see if the screw fits into the hole. That's it. Okay, now the pipe is back in place on the trampoline. You can try and fit the plastic on it, and it holds in place with the screw. So that's an easy, quick fix for holding your trampoline security net in place. Security net is back in place. I added strings to the poles fixing the security net back into place, and the two poles which didn't have this plastic holding the top have the screws. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. See you in the next one.